Remember when adulting sounded like a cool adventure? Yeah, turns out it's more like juggling flaming spoons in a hurricane. Taxes, laundry that multiplies, sleep that vanishes. Adulthood's a wild ride. We traded Pizza Fridays for budget spreadsheets. Our dance moves got replaced by chore routines. And suddenly, naps became a luxury item. But hey, here's the good news. Even with the chaos, there's magic in grown-up life. We get to build our own homes, choose our adventures, and learn to rock that burnt toast with a smile. So hold on to your socks, Buttercup. This adulting thing might just surprise you. Share your wildest adulting moments in the comments. Let's laugh, cry, and conquer this thing together.